approach to this presentation? How you prepared? Speak loudly. I asked you about your approach. When a student prepares for a seminar, what should be the approach? Information on what? Is there less information or more information on this? Which are the keywords in the topic? Yeah, which is the nodal organization which is working on these aspects in Goa? Can you name one single organization? There are many. Yeah. So is there more information or less information on these aspects? What NIO sources could tell you? So you say that NIO is a major nodal organization where scientists from NIO are working on these topics, and you do not feel it necessary to include their work, which is freely available on their website? That's not the point. The point is NIO reports are all available. NIO papers are available on Scholar. You have lots of summaries of their major publication. What did you search? How did you search? Please tell your approach of searching NIO website or resources on this topic. What did you do? Give me the correct, see, you have all the students I am cautioning, you give me correct statement. I don't like lies. I just can't stand anyone in my life who lies. I just don't like that person. You have to give the fact. If you don't know, you say, I don't know. If you say that I have not visited NIO website, I lied, you said that. Did you explore NIO website? Because this is not the first time I am encountering a student. Earlier also student has selected this topic and they have used NIO website and papers effectively. It's an old topic. How did you search NIO website? Tell me under which heading you get the resources. There is no category called articles on NIO website, first of all. There is one category called publications. After you click on publications, what you see? With which search terms you searched? Publications gives you an interface called search. Yeah, so how many entries you got under climate change? Because if you type climate change, it will show you all the contribution from NIO scientists and the summaries of their papers. And many of these papers, once you click on that, you will see that they are downloadable, some are not downloadable. Those which are not downloadable from NIO, you can download it from Scholar, because they are published in different journals to which our university subscribes. Next question is, how do you define coastal Goa? What according to you is coastal Goa? Where it begins and ends? No, you have to give the geographical limits of coastal Goa from north to south. Okay, what is the geographical area of state of Goa? So without understanding geographical area of state of Goa, you prepared for the seminar? Coastal Goa is not part of the entire geographical area of state of Goa. It should be smaller or larger than Goa. Why are you late? Answer. Is coastal area under coastal Goa a subset of geographical area of Goa? So what is hectares or square kilometers is the size of coastal Goa? 150? What? You measure areas in kilometers. What is the unit for measurement of area? When you think of area, is it calculation based on single dimension or two dimensions? So how you can use a linear dimension called kilometer for area? Why there is a confusion? Please don't prompt her, because I will send you out if anybody prompts anyone. You can go home straight away. Without these basic things, there are millions of sources for curious students. When did you select this topic? Because the list was sent to all of you on 7th August and today is 7th October. 2 months, 60 days, 1440 hours. How long it takes for a curious student? Not more than 3-4 hours. To dig out everything regarding geography of Goa, ecology of Goa, ecosystem diversity, species diversity, biodiversity. There are hundreds and thousands of resources right from tourism department, forest department websites. Published resources, Goa Gazetteer Library, thousands of volumes on state of Goa. You are doing masters. What is the meaning of masters to you? Are you a higher secondary student or master student? Who you are? What is the meaning of masters? Masters of what? Who gave you an idea to join science? This is the way to approach a issue, coastal Goa, at MSc level. This is the way we do justice to post-graduation in university. Over 2 months. Where were you born? In which state? How long you have spent in this state? Aren't you ashamed that you do not know even the area of the state of Goa properly? Whose job is it? A person from Kerala and Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh to know about one's own homeland? Wasn't it taught to you from 5th, 6th, 7th standard, 10th, 11th, 12th standard? Nowhere at no point of time you knew anything about state of Goa, geographical area, coastline, coastal area, beaches, coastal ecosystems. Is it rocket science, nuclear technology? Think about it. Because that is the correct approach. Demystification. 2 key terms are there. Climate change is not Goa specific. It's a global issue, planetary issue. Huge issue. Coastal Goa is a small geographical area on this planet. Every area on the planet will be affected, of which Goa is a part. Now proceed with your presentation, but keep this point in mind. You have to completely demystify, because your entire focus on the tiny state of Goa, which is one of the most ecologically vulnerable area in Asia because of sea level rise. Coastal Goa, most of it is a low-lying area, subjected to irreversible, I underline, irreversible submergence. Once sea encroaches those areas, thousands of people will be displaced. that land will completely, permanently go under water forever. That is the gravity of this topic. And to know that, you should understand cartographically by referring to several maps of Goa. Google Earth, a simple user-friendly tool, you have to just spend an hour or two on that with complete focus and concentration. And a person who is born and brought up in Goa should be more concerned than anybody else outside Goa. Because that is what is going to affect all of you in future, not me. I won't be there when this will happen. And that makes you connect right at present to the future. Whatever you do, study, learn, present, research, that's connection to reality in future. It's not just empty learning at master's level. It is empowerment, enlightenment with real education. That is why you give seminar. You give seminar to first educate yourself and educate others, including me. That is the purpose of seminar. An informed debate, an informed discussion. Now let us see what exactly you have dug out and how effectively you could present it. So please proceed with your presentation. You have a chance to improve and send me or copy to me. It is a good topic, but let me see how you have done justice to it. Start. And you can use the pointer. And what you can do is